Children, still now we have revised how the integers are introduced. Now we are going to entering into the chapter 1 integers. In this session we are going to learn introduction of the terms related with integers and its definition, integers on number line, and some special properties of integers. Now we are going to see the definition of natural number and whole numbers. Children, as we know that natural numbers are counting numbers. That natural numbers are denoted by letter capital N. The set of natural numbers can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. In the same way, whole numbers denoted by letter W, the set of whole numbers can be written as W equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Children, copy this definition to your maths classwork. Integers are denoted by the letter Z. The set of integers can be written in this way. Now we are going to see how to write the integers on the number line. See, in this way we can write the integers on number line. Right of 0 we are having positive integer. On its left we are having negative integers. At the middle we are having 0. The 0 is neither positive nor negative. Copy this also. Look at clearly this number line, children. See, right side of 0 we are having positive integers. On its left we are having negative integers. Middle 0 is there. That 0 is neither positive nor negative. That is 0 is signless number. What are opposite integers? Integers that are the same distance from 0 are opposite integers. In this number line, we have selected two numbers on both the sides, -3 and +3. The distance between 0 and +3 is 3 units. The distance between 0 and -3 is 3 units. So, -3 and +3 are opposites because they are both 3 units from 0. Another one example. See here, we have selected two numbers again, -4 and +4. The distance between 0 and +4 is 4 units. The distance between 0 and -4 is 4 units. Therefore, -4 and +4 are opposites. Opposite numbers are the same distance from 0. Right, children? But the sum of opposites is 0. Example, -5 and +5 are opposite numbers. The opposites of 0 is 0. Copy this also. See, children, the sum of +3 and -3 is equal to 0. Similarly, the sum of +5 and -5 is equal to 0. But 0 has no distance, therefore the opposite of 0 is 0. Okay, children, now we are going to revise how to add and subtract the integers using the number line. Now we are going to add 2 and 4. The two are positive numbers. So on the number line we are having positive integers on right hand side. So the two numbers we can mark on right hand side. First 2, 0 to 2. we should start from 0 only always. 0 to 2. Next, from 2, 4 units we should count. Okay. So, on the right hand side only. 2, from 2, 4 units means 1, 2, 3, 4. We should stop with the 6. Therefore, we got the answer 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Understand, children? See, children, another one example. We are going to add two negative integers. See, on the number line we are having negative on its left side. So, we are going to mark -1 first. 0 to -1 left hand side. From 0 we are going to add -6. That is also on the left hand side. So, from 1 we should count 6 units. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, it ends with the -7. Therefore, our answer is -7. Sum of -1 plus -6 is -7. Next, we will move to subtraction. How to do the subtraction? Still now we learned addition. Now we will see the subtraction. Here, first, before starting, we should simplify this integers. That means remove the bracket, children. First 5, write as it is. Multiple these two signs, minus into plus, -6. If you convert like this, it will be easy for you. Now we are having 5 minus 6, right? 5 has no sign, means it is positive, plus 5. So we should start from 0 to its right, because plus 5 we are having. So 0 to 5. Okay. Next we are having -6. From 5 we should move 6 units to its left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 5 we have to move 6 units to its left. So our answer is -1. Clear, children? Copy all these examples, children. Today I end up this session. Children, one more thing. To check your understanding, I have added 10 questions in the quiz. Please attend that quiz. Okay. Okay, tomorrow in the next session, we'll learn the rules of integers. Thank you, children. Bye-bye, children.